Yo, what's up guys? It's been a minute. Yeah, welcome back. So I think it's been like 2 years. Yo, 2 years, something like that.
Hey, don't worry, bro. I have a video on the way. I just need to edit it.
Yeah, we kind of look different now. Kind of grown up. But what's up? Today we're gonna be doing a mod for my car. It's gonna
Brian's Beersy.
Yeah, it's gonna be some LED lights I got at Walmart.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Budget. But
You already know. Yo. Right there. Alright guys, I got a new car. It's a Subaru BRZ. It's kind of modified. Yeah, I know I didn't post anything about this.
yeah, that's why you gotta follow the Instagram and the TikTok.
Oh yeah. We're trying to get famous on TikTok, but that's for another day. That's for another day.
No, but plug yourself, bro. Plug yourself.
Alright. But yeah, so like, this thing came stock. Well, like I've been modifying it off camera. Right here, bird poop special. I got a lip. Some anti-RPF ones. It's pretty cool. I got this sticker. It's pretty cool too. And NVIDIA N1 exhaust. You can't see it, but whatever. And I got like lengthy tail lights. Oh yeah, also it is a stick shift, so no hate.
Hey.
No hate.
I can't reach it. I was gonna stroke it.
Yeah, it's been a minute. Like I think last time we made a video.
I had black hair.
Yup. I was like, I don't know. Young.
That was like what, a year ago?
Yeah.
It's getting kind of breezy out here. Yes, sir. He got them beaters on, you know.
Yeah. Alright. So I don't even know how to do this, but like, whatever. Like, I can read. I'll be able to do this.
Yes, sir.
Oh, what the fuck is this?
I don't know.
What's the fucking instructions?
We'll be back when we figure this out. Alright, so we figured it out.
Yeah, so
It's
easiest mod in my life.
yes.
We got this little dildo thing right here.
Yes, sir.
It's gonna plug into my car.
Your
and it
booty hole.
Goes into this. This thing is jig bob, and
The
then
little module that controls the lights.
2 strips. So, hey, don't mind my car. It's a little dirty.
Alright.
Alright, so I found my cigarette lighter. It's in a pretty bootsy position.
That is pretty bootsy.
What the fuck? Honestly, what the fuck? I'm gonna wire it right here, right? You feel me? Yeah, it's pretty sad. Sorry as fuck, bro. God damn it. I don't care. It's only $25.
$25. That's like
Cream barbecue.
four so many ice creams, bro.
Oh, how the fuck? Alright, it's gonna look messy. I don't know how people make this clean. Is there another cigarette lighter in your car, or it's just
I don't, just one, dude.
that's pretty gay.
Is there anywhere to?
Huh?
No.
Honestly, I might just buy a USB one, but I don't give a fuck. I'll just use this temporarily. Alright guys, so found out that I know a way to work it out. I'm just gonna peel off this 3M tape, slap it on the bottom right there, and then
Sir.
plug it in. Pretty easy.
On top of his 3 pedals, you know.
Oh, fuck.
One for left foot, one for right foot, one for his schlong, bro.
Yo. Alright, bucket. Full send.
Full send, baby. Hey, just make sure it's straight though, so it doesn't look hella janky.
Yeah. Come on. Let me get a flashlight.
This dude. Yes, sir.
Oh snap, it's dangling.
It's dangling. Why?
I don't know. Alright. Oh shit.
That's fine, right?
Huh? That's probably the double-sided tape. It'll be good. It'll be good.
Yeah. You don't drive like super reckless or anything, so
Alright, now you get this part. Where is it?
it's over there. Yes, sir.
This part and just plug it in.
Plug it in. Oh yeah. Yes, sir.
And it's in. Alright, I'm gonna need double-sided tape though.
So.
Step friend, are you stuck?
Alright, so we got it. Brian got it well. Yeah.
Double-sided tape does the magic.
Gorilla Grip. Gorilla Grip Coochie double-sided tape.
Yep. And I think this thing right here, I'm gonna put like right here.
Yeah, that's a good spot. As long as it doesn't get in your way.
Watch. So what you gonna do is grab this motherfucker over here. Snip. Real quick.
Yes, sir.
Alright, this Gorilla Grip. You feel me?
Gorilla Grip. Gorilla Grip Coochie double-sided tape. Put it on your module thing first,
Alright, you're right.
and then peel it off.
It's gonna go right here.
That shit.
So I'm gonna put it right here. Right here.
Yeah, and then peel off.
Change this shit to white so I can see.
Change it to a white suit. I got you. Courtesy of my nigga Jay.
Oh yeah. Damn.
Told you, bro. Gorilla Grip Coochie knows how to do it. Just gotta rub it. Rub that shit. You gotta talk dirty to it.
Huh?
You gotta talk dirty to it.
Would you do me the honest of opening up?
One eternity later.
Alright guys, after a long and hard time before working on this, I found the solution. So I just put the tape on here first and then peel it off, which is way easier. Now I just gotta like put it on here, so like so. And now it's good. It's good. All right, should be on there for 30 years.
I'm in the microfiber. 30 more years.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
All right,
We're
guys.
back.
Now we finished this, and I'll make the wiring like better, but for right now it's nice. You got all the color modes. You feel me?
All the modes.
Little nice touch. There you go.
So when you're trying to race someone, you go red.
Yeah. When you race someone, you go red.
You just cruise it. I think blue. I think blue.
Yeah,
That's
blue
chill.
Cruising. When you're trying to fuck. Oh, fuck. When you're trying to fuck, pink.
Pink, yo.
Green if you want to go. Green if you want to go eco mode.
Yes, sir.
Yellow. I don't know.
No one chooses yellow.
Yellow's yeah. White. White if you're missing. You need to find something down there. What the fuck is orange?
I think so.
Yellow, orange.
Yeah.
No one gives a fuck.
Yes, sir. Damn, what you need to car wash, Brian?
Yeah.
It's kind of dirty up in here. Yes, sir. Shout out. Shout out Taco Bell. Baja Blast, #1 drink. Damn, if only Somi was open.
Huh?
If only Somi was open.
Bruh.
Meanwhile,
Yeah. So over here we got my boy Jason here, putting on a sticker on the windshield. I mean on the side mirrors. Oh, what kind of sticker you got? Hold on.
Oh, bro, you'll see.
All right, we'll see. All right, guys, welcome back.
Sad.
It's a short video today, but we're just gonna wrap it up. My LED lights are finished, so fuck it. And everything is closed on
Christmas Eve.
You know, we're not hanging out with no girls right now because we got no girlfriends. It's kind of sad, so we're probably just gonna go home and play games with the boys. This guy right here
You didn't
just got the sticker.
Get the right angle, bro.
Love is a lie. Yeah, I don't know. He's going through a phase right now. Hold up. Right there, bro. You know, we got our phases.
That's not a phase, bro. It's been all of 2020.
Oh, there you go. Focus. Yeah, you know, we all heartbroken out here.
It's not a phase anymore, guys.
Hey, my boy's single though, so whoever sees this, hit him up. I'll leave his @
Follow my TikTok.
Yo, hey, go subscribe to him. You know, my boy's single right here. Yeah, so I think this is it for the video. It's pretty short.
Yeah, maybe like 5 to 8 minute video.
Yeah. All right, see you guys.